Hey ladies, welcome to another week. You have done a tremendous job in the first few weeks of this class. Those first few weeks are definitely tough. There's a lot of content that's covered and it helps you to look at things differently. So we're going to scale back just a little bit. This week we're going to be talking about learning plans, which is probably more in alignment with some of the training that you've previously had. So it'll probably feel a little bit easier. And then the upcoming weeks will definitely be a little bit more fun and relaxed. So look forward to that. One thing you'll notice is as you start seeing other classes, you're probably going to be surprised by some things that you see out there. And the reality is this is what goes on. And the goals aren't there, or there's no learning plan available, or things are unrelated. This happens all of the time. So you'll probably start to notice those quite a bit more, and that's terrific. That's a sign of learning, and I hope that you are continuing to enjoy this class, and please be sure again to reach out with any questions you have. Thanks, and have a great day.